Welcome to AR Studios. Today, we are going to see Hercules Roadeo Warcry bicycle assembly. This is the package which we will be delivered. Let's unbox it. Here the cycle which we received. All the parts are in tag state except the seat. Use a knife or scissor to untag one by one carefully so that it's not getting damaged. This Warcry model comes in three sizes, namely 26-inch, 27.5 inch and 29-inch wheel size. All these three variants comes with two color options. The frame is 17-inch frame on all the variants. This has a steel frame with threadless fork and alloy seat clamp with quick release. Threadless fork integration providing responsive front suspension. This cycle has double-walled alloy XMR rims for traction with progressive nylon tire tread for smooth rolling of 2.35 size which is wider one. And has a black pin shed friction-free steel hub. This cycle comes in two versions of shifters and derailleur, which are Microshift and Shimano. The current model which used here is Microshift. So, the parts which we plan to assemble today are seat, handlebar, pedal, front wheel set, and the railer guard. Use 5 inches alley to tie the stem. Now, we will see how to place the handlebar. For that, first we need to remove the 4 bolts on the stem. Place the handlebar as shown. Place this piece and try to tighten the bolts. You can tighten them diagonally, which help for better positioning. Also make sure handlebar is in center and well placed. Use 4mm Allen key to tighten the bolts. Use the screwdriver to tighten the reflector. Now, we will assemble the front wheel set. The wheel set has the disc brake. First, loosen the brake wire on the disc machine, using the 4 inches mm Allen key. So, disc pad on the disc machine will be in released state. Now, remove the wheel nut and the collar washer on the wheel axle. Place it on the fork as shown and make sure the disc plate is placed in correct position on the disc machine. Now, place the washer and tight the wheel axle nut using 15 inches mm spanner. Now, tight back the disc brake as shown. Part to assemble is derailleur guard. This guard is designed to protect the bicycle's rear derailleur. Let's see how to assemble it. Remove the wheel axle nut and washer. Now, place the guard followed by washer and nut. Use 15 mm spanner to do this. Now, we will see how to assemble the pedals. It is important to remember that pedal threads are different from left side and right side. The right side pedal has a right hand thread, removes counterclockwise and stalls clockwise. The left side pedal has a left hand thread, removes clockwise and stalls counterclockwise. Many pedals are stamped L and R for left and right. Additionally, the thread will appear to slope up toward its tightening direction. Left hand threads slope up to the left, while right hand threads slope up to the right. Use 13 mm spanner to tighten the pedal. We need to loosen the nut, and place the seat according to need. Holding the lever in place, tighten the nut on the opposite side. It should feel tight, but it should not be too difficult to close the lever. Once tight, push the lever into the closed position. Cycle is ready to ride. Happy riding. Thanks for watching. Also, watch other videos on our channel.